Hi guys, we're up in the spare bedroom. Just looking at some of my stuff that I've hidden out the way. This is a solar powered clock. In other words, it's solar panel, nickel metal hydride battery and an ordinary small alarm clock. That's been running for over a year now, I think. The solar panel keeps the nickel metal hydride battery topped up during the day, and then the nickel metal hydride battery keeps the clock running overnight. It doesn't drop down very much overnight because that doesn't take much power, so it's continuously topped up. So that's been working, I can't remember how long now, but I'm pretty sure it's over a year. These two chaps, I think I picked them up in probably Poundland a few years ago. Left them in their packs, never touched them. The solar rocking or dancing queen, as it says on the back, picked that up in a charity shop a long time ago. Left it in the pack. Just thought it's rather nice. That's one of my animatronics there. Wind him up and he plays the piano. That's a little wind up table tennis pair. Oh. Right, that is Life in a Jar. That's pretty old now, just been left. The life that was in there, the bugs and that's been dead for, or disappeared for quite a long time. That's just the green algae that every so often carries on growing and then it sort of drops off and so on. I will have to have a look in there sometime with a microscope, see if there's anything surviving. But the actual reason for looking in the window ledge here is this little lot. That's probably my oldest, ignore that for a second, probably my oldest solar project. The circuit is actually one of those ones for the, what do they call them? Those things. Solar bugs. Solar panel. A few transistors there, capacitor, flashing LED, panel charges up the capacitor up to a point where the flashing LED triggers. When it triggers, it switches on one of the other transistors that allows the capacitor to discharge through the electric motor, and it moves around. And it's obviously been left up that way to stop it moving around and falling off the window ledge. That's the same circuit, and that one just moves the clock hand round. That one pulses and rocks that fella. And that one, as you can see, just gives the occasional pulse and makes the magnet swing. And what I'm actually thinking is I could tidy this up. I think I might make a little smaller base for it. Put all these bits and pieces in a neater arrangement and make it more presentable. And I'll probably do the same thing with that and the same thing with that. I have it in mind to cut up some bits of plywood, varnish them, and put these on a bit of plywood so it looks neater. Obviously I could 3D print, but I think we'll go for a bit of plywood. The sun is on the other side of the house, which is why these aren't doing very much, although that one is moving a bit. All that happens is that fires every so often, sends a pulse and starts it rocking. There's no sensor in it or anything. Now, you might have just seen those little blue flash there, because it's a blue flashing LED in there. And yeah, so that gives a little rock, exactly the same as that thing. Every so often there's a little pulse that starts it moving. Right, so yeah, we'll tidy up. Yeah, waffle time. Yeah, we'll tidy up. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.